Microsoft has just announced Phi 3, new language models similar to ChatGPT, Gemini and Llama 3, but they are unique due to their compact size and strong performance. What is Phi 3? Think of a Phi 3 model as a mini ChatGPT that can function fully on your phone or computer, handle diverse AI tasks efficiently or without an internet connection. This gives you full privacy using less power and no data. This makes Phi 3 ideal for developers and businesses seeking to integrate AI without significant infrastructure. Let's learn more. The Phi 3 models are Microsoft's latest marvel, crafted to blend seamlessly into our daily tech without the clunky hardware usually required. Variants like the Phi 3 Mini are not just small, they're mighty, capable of swiftly processing complex language tasks that you'd expect only from their larger cousins. These models are a tech enthusiast's dream, enabling a range of AI tasks from crafting simple replies to handling intricate queries, all from the comfort of your own device. Why are these small language models such a big deal? For starters, they're incredibly efficient, gobbling up less data and power, which helps both your wallet and the planet. They're quick too, offering snappy responses that keep pace with your busy life. Plus, they handle all your data right where you are, keeping it private and secure. This trio of efficiency, speed, and security is reshaping what we expect from AI technology. Speaking of this AI technology boom, ever find yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI image generators out there, wondering which one to choose? Fear not. Wowzer AI is your one-stop shop offering access to multiple AI image engines at once with a fully functional free tier. Wowzer features beginner-friendly tools that help you craft effective prompts and manage your creations with ease. Just watch how simple it is to get started and generate dynamic images. Unlike other AI image solutions, Wowzer simplifies the process by allowing you to compare outputs from different models directly inside the app. Notice here how you don't need to be a prompt expert. Follow your creative instincts, use Wowzer's default settings, or get assistance with writing and enhancing your prompts. A single click lets you explore a variety of styles. Let's look at some stunning examples from the different models right now. Observe the diversity and accuracy Wowzer offers. You gain the freedom to express your creativity without the complexity. Their platform supports your vision from conception to creation, providing insights and options that ensure your image is not just good, but perfects your needs. Wowzer AI offers various subscription levels, including a daily credit-free option using the studio version and a premium membership for the more frequent users. Start unleashing your creative potential today. Visit my special promo link below and begin your journey with Wowzer. Phi 3 models are not just versatile, they're revolutionary, integrating into everything from your pocket-sized smartphones to sprawling enterprise systems. This makes top-notch AI tools within reach for developers across the board, powering up apps and systems to be more intelligent and responsive. It's about transforming everyday tech experiences into something a little more sci-fi, with AI as personal and customizable as your morning coffee. Keen to get started with Phi 3? Don't worry, these models are just a click away in the Azure AI model catalog and Hugging Face, plus a couple more. The platforms offer straightforward, user-friendly tools that help even AI newbies jump into developing with these models. With such ease of access, it's never been simpler to infuse your projects with cutting-edge AI capabilities. Looking ahead, Microsoft plans to continuously innovate and enhance the Phi 3 models. They aim to further reduce the size and increase the efficiency of these models, enabling even broader applications in AI. The goal is to make these powerful tools more adaptable to real-world scenarios, ensuring that AI can be even more seamlessly integrated into everyday life. This means smarter home gadgets, more intuitive personal assistants, and even more responsive AI in public services. Microsoft isn't just about advancing technology in isolation, they're also focused on building a vibrant community around their AI models. They encourage developers to experiment, provide feedback, and contribute to the evolution of the Phi 3 models through open platforms and community forums. This collaborative approach helps ensure that the models continue to meet the diverse needs of users and developers, fostering an ecosystem where innovation thrives and everyone has a say in the future of AI. The rollout of Microsoft's Phi 3 models signifies a leap towards more eco-friendly and user-friendly AI use. By lowering the entry barriers to sophisticated AI, Microsoft is pushing the envelope of innovation and changing our daily tech interactions. Imagine a world where advanced AI is as ubiquitous as smartphones, made possible by these compact yet mighty models. What are your predictions for the future of AI? Chime in below and join in the conversation. Check out this video next to see what is Meta AI's Llama 3 in just 3 minutes. Also subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.